everyone, welcome to my 2023 BRZ Premium. Just kind of wanted to give you guys a little comparison with my previous S2000, but also I've driven so many S2000s from previous AP1s to even AP2s, and just really want to compare with the current generation of BRZ, since many people think like it should be a big improvement and it should also be matched, as should we say, which they are correct. The acceleration can pretty much match an AP2. I mean, even from a track perspective, as I've been driving AP1s and AP2s on the track a lot, I would say it might be even probably a little faster. Of course, I would say there are differences, or some differences between the two, but I mean, there are good differences and bad ones, I would say. I mean, first, of course, it does have the advantage now, combining with the weight, the power, since before the BRZ didn't have the power that the S2000 had, but now it does. I would say the shifting feel, of course, still doesn't have the S2000 feel, but it has improved a lot. And especially, when they say the fourth gear, they improved a lot. It does improve a lot, which, for example, like in the track, like Bun Willow, it does, shift, even more smoothly. Also, I would say the braking, I mean, it's not, close to an S2000, but it does have improved a lot. I mean, it's still kind of on the soft side, but it's still doable. It's still a big improvement from the previous gen. And of course, many people would talk about the steering feel. Yes, we're in the 2023 generation and we're still fighting about steering feel, because yes, there's not much feel or direct feel versus the S2000, but it's okay. I mean, yeah, we just gotta deal with it. I mean, probably when I had the suspension, just the down springs and the camber plates, the steering feel did improve after that. So as long as you do that, the steering wheel does improve. And I'll say the rest, I mean, again, we're really can't, it's not like apples to oranges, where the S2000 is really, completely mechanical. So you do get that mechanical feel. And the rest, it's like the steering ratio, and I mean, it's already very equivalent to an S2000, but in a more kind of soft, soft and comfortable feel, you could say. Since the S2000, it's really kind of more already Spartan than sports car feel. So it's not meant for the streets. So I mean, if you're still dailying your S2000, well done. I mean, even I did daily my AP1, you know, for a while. I mean, yes, it is not made for daily, but it is dailable. But with the overall kind of updates and improvements that the BRZ has been gone through, like I would say for, you know, this kind of era, I mean, again, luckily we're still getting these cars. You know, it's still kind of surprising to me that yes, Toyota and Subaru still, you know, bringing the GR86 and BRZ, you know, to their lineup. Granted, you know, I was hoping to track this car just like I did with, you know, my previous BRZ and the S2000. But as we mentioned with the oil starvation, now that's not doable anymore. So, which is unfortunate. And I was really, you know, hoping, you know, to push this car, you know, on track. But if I was able to, you know, to keep a second or third, you know, car, I do want to, you know, push this to the track because it is amazing, you know, with the improved power. You know, I mean, that was pretty much what was needed from the previous generation. You know, it was just, it just needed, you know, that oomph, you know, that the S2K has, you know, just an extra 40 to 50 horsepower with torque. Because, I mean, the handling, the lower center of gravity, and everything else, it's just, yeah, it's pretty perfect, you know. So, yeah, it would be a very good alternative to the S2000, you know, as reliability goes. So, yes, if you do have that extra space and you don't care about the oil starvation issue, you should definitely go for it. So I'll end it there, and yeah, now let's keep driving.